So today we're going to continue our attempt to find the misfire. This was the bad injector originally. I took it out. I replaced it with another one that I had from my buddy Jeff. I checked it. It seemed to flow pretty well when I sprayed carburetor cleaner fluid and opened the injector with a battery. The other one not quite as nice, so I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I just marked it as a lean running injector and put it aside for now. So we have a new injector here. I still have the color tune in. Let's just crank it up and hey, we'll do a cold start while we're at it because it's early in the morning and everything's nice and cold. So let's see if it starts, and we'll see if the misfire. That's over there was where I was cleaning it. That's clean. Oh, I was using brake cleaner. I meant to use carb cleaner. Oh, anyway, let's see how. First of all, how it starts and see how it runs. Oh, here we go again. Why am I having issues with this cold start? So look at that color tune. That was a lot better. Much better now. Sounds good to you? Sounds pretty smooth to me. I forgot to put my clamp back in my fuel line here. I hope it doesn't blow off. Enhanced rich hit mode, but I think that's definitely a better spark. Much better. Now it's dropping down. Probably put that color tune in each one of these plugs and compare it. It does a little bit of a misfire, I'm not sure why. Let's go do the power test again. Now that it's slowed down. Oh, definitely effect now. Let's try the next one. Oh yeah. Next one, here goes. Oh yeah. Next one. That's 1, 2, 3. Each at a draw. Here's number 4. 4 is a little hard to get at. Oh yeah, 4 had an effect. Here's 5. 5 had an effect. Here's 6. Oh yeah. So they're all definitely having an effect. That's a good thing. Throttle up a little bit. That's a pretty good response there. Let's take a look at the alternator and make sure when I throttle up that alternator is actually working. Put the falling off the battery. Here we go. I'm going to throttle it up. See how much that regulator is doing the job. I don't want to explode the electronics. That's good. Never hit 16 volts. Take a look at the oil pressure. Coming up. That throttle response sounds pretty good though. I'm just waiting for that temp to hit. Let's see how slow we can idle it. I'm closing this through. See how your fuel mix is. If this thing will run with the fuel cap off, it's not good. It should. If you're having problems, right, take this off because you're introducing unheated air to the system. Oh yeah, it'll die if that comes off. That's what it's supposed to do. Let's take a look at that fuel mix again. See if it's leaned out any. Still looking real good. I think we got that problem handled. And I'm still waiting for the tip to kick in. The radiator's getting warm. Doesn't seem to be moving. The radiator's cold, so it hasn't opened up yet. That's all for now. I'm not going to bore you and wait for the radiator to get warm, but it's sounding a lot better now. Still a little bit of a burble I don't fully understand. But I don't know if that's any more than normal. Shouldn't feel any